again, just kind of get all those wires all together, twist it around each other, and now we're going to add some more tape and wrap it around all this previously wired and taped stuff. The same twisting motion all the way to the bottom. And that ribbon, remember, the wire wasn't pre-wrapped, so make sure you get a good covering of tape on it. Sometimes the little edges of wire will kind of poke out, so if you feel any parts that are pokey, just keep on going over with the tape that spot until it doesn't feel quite so sharp, because you don't want to end up stabbing your loved one you're going to pin this on later. Okay, again, pull it tight and twist. Now you can use your finger or your needle nose pliers to take all the medley of wire and tape here and begin coiling it around. I find it's easier just to do by hand at first. You end up getting to a really fine part where you're wanting to get some really fine twists. You can move to that needle nose plier. And give it just a few more little nudges, because all that wire on there really allows you to move it as you want to, as you see fit. And there you are, you have a corsage. And this is how you would sit.